Hey guys, Sean Murphy here with Living on the South Shore of MA, and today I want to take you on a neighborhood tour, one of the most exclusive neighborhoods that we have here on the South Shore, Black Rock Country Club, and the residences at Black Rock here in Hingham. Let's go check it out. Opened in 2002, the country club and the residences here at Black Rock were built on 357 acres of land that actually used to be an old quarry here in Hingham. Now, this is the clubhouse to the Brian Silva designed golf course. It is incredibly beautiful. The amenities are top-notch here. And again, this is one of the most exclusive neighborhoods in the area because it is truly a gated community with security guards at the entrance and the exit. Now, this is what most of the homes look like. They all have this sort of Adirondack look and style to them. Now, let's dive into Hingham. You can see it's a pretty easy location, easy commute. There's a ferry going right out of the shipyard going into Boston. That red dot there is downtown Hingham, blue dot being where Black Rock is. So great southern Hingham location, easy access to the shipyard commuting, to Route 3 if you're driving into the city, but great location in town overall. Now here's an overview of the entire club, all 357 acres of it. Now, also one thing to keep in mind, the club and living here, the residences are two separate entities. So if you buy in Black Rock, you don't automatically get in as a member. You got to hit the waiting list, and it's a whole separate process to join. But in my opinion, it's worth the wait, especially if you're planning on buying within Black Rock. The convenience of being and living within the country club is incredible. So here is the main entrance to Black Rock. It's got a gatehouse and a security guard there, so we didn't record that for obvious reasons, but here are some of the homes as you start to come into the clubhouse. Adirondack style, like I said. Some of them have white trim, some of them have green trim. There are a total of 137 homes throughout, ranging from 1.5 million to all the way up to 4.3 million. Now, real quick, here's the clubhouse as we pull up Clubhouse Drive. Driving range is above at the top of the screen there. It is an amazingly beautiful clubhouse. In my opinion, one of the nicer ones in the area, especially on the South Shore. You can see the first tee at the top of the screen, 18th green coming into the bottom left there. But the amenities at this club are unmatched, in my opinion, on the South Shore. You have this amazing golf course, again, designed by Brian Silva, who also did Cape Cod National. You have the paddle courts at the top of the screen there. You have the pool, which has a huge kids section to the pool, a fitness facility, tennis courts, etc. But the golf course itself is gorgeous. It's pretty wide open. A lot of fescue, as they call it, the tall grass on the outer parts of the rough there. But it is a very well put together course, especially knowing that they designed this out of an old quarry. So you'll see, like this pond right here, some old nods to the old quarry that used to be here. They left a lot of the stone. But back to the homes now. We're driving down Clubhouse Drive. You can see some of these styles. Now, these homes, there's Clubhouse Drive, which has a majority of the homes, and then Black Rock Drive that goes around the whole course. These are more kind of closer together than some of the ones on Black Rock Drive and some of the offshoot roads. Here's the other style with the green trim. Now you're kind of half and half whether you're getting white trim or green trim. But overall, there are 137 homes on the property. They range from 1.5 million to all the way up to 4.3 million. 2,400 square feet, all the way up to 6,500 square feet. A majority of them have a finished basement that you can walk out. So, you know, some of that square footage is included if it's a walk-out basement. But they did a beautiful job with these homes. Very much an open concept design. A lot of them has first floor masters. And they also have 2-car garages with a bay for your golf cart. If you want to live that country club lifestyle, if you are very much into golf, this is your spot. Now here's one more view overhead of the pool, the clubhouse, the tennis facility, and the fitness facility. Now this pool is one of the favorite pools that my kids love. They're in 5th and 3rd grade. They love this pool. There's a huge kids section with a water fountain. They have the deep end. They got everything you can imagine, snack bar, all the good stuff. So Black Rock, being right in Hingham, it's an incredible spot. If you are looking for that exclusive upscale neighborhood, Black Rock is your spot. Let me know how I can help you on your home search. And as always, thank you for watching.